Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how you can easily get the ChatGPT Go for free. What are the eligibility criteria, like in which country is it available and who can get it. Do watch the video till the end because I have also shown how to buy it. So the first question is, who will receive this update or this free offer? So ChatGPT has officially announced on their page that on 4 November it will be available only for the Indian users. Like those accounts which are created only in Indian regions, they can avail this offer. And don't forget to subscribe because those who are not in the Indian region, I'll show them how to get this offer. So first, if you have purchased there any type of plan like the Pro or the Go, any type of them, so you first need to finish that one. Like if you have unsubscribed to their plan but the duration is about a month, you need to wait for it. And the new users are also eligible for this offer, and the rest you can just watch in the video. Now I'll tell you how you can buy it, and I have also shown a complete process. My friend in India, he made this video, so you can check out the video till the end. Here you can see first he has logged into a new account which he created in Indian region, and then here you can see he got an offer of try the Go free. So you need to click on that, and when you go to the payment section, here you can select the credit card or any type of UPI account. So I haven't blurred these information. You can try it by yourself if it works for you. So here I'll click on the process, and when here it is done, here you can see the payment is completed, and nothing was deducted from my account, and I got the Go for free for a year. So this is how you can do it. Here you can see now the payment will be approved, and my friend will get the ChatGPT Go for a year, and it will be completely for free. So do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share the video with your friends. So thanks for watching.